All right. Now we are discussing about control access to fields, which is pretty easy and straightforward. Let's go dive into our Trailhead playground and start doing. I'm going to my playful wolf here. And okay, so we are talking about swimming instructor. So as a swimming instructor, I want to be able to mark the swimming lesson as pass or not pass. Also, I would like to be able to write notes, how the student was doing. Other than that, I will not want or need to change any other data, any other record. So let's go ahead and update the permission for the profile for the swimming instructor. Alright, so I'm going to go to the gear icon here and set up. So before we start working on that, if I go to the home page here and I go to contacts, not even contacts, let's go to opportunities, which is the swimming lessons. If I click here and I go to details, so as the swimming instructor, I should not be able or do not need to change any of this. So as a swimming instructor, I just want to mark if the student passed and I want to write some notes. So I don't want to change any of these fields, okay? If the student or the mom wants to reschedule the swimming lesson, they have to call the Swim Kids program to do that, not directly with the instructor. So with that being said, let's update the access to the opportunity object for the swimming instructor, okay? So right now, for example, I can change this to anything for who is the student, like that, for example. And then I can even change this to another date. Let's not do that, okay? So I'm just gonna save this. Let's just give a demonstration. I can change this to 1, right? And save. So I can change anything, right? But I am logged in as Jimmy and not as the swimming instructor. So after we change this, the swimming instructor will not be able to change any other data than the pass and the notes. Okay, those two. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go to my setup page here. And I'm going to go to my object manager. No, wrong. I'm going to go to my profile because we are going to modify the swimming instructor profile. So profiles over here. And I'm going to go to the letter S here. And we have the swimming instructor profile. I'm going to click that and change the object settings or permissions, which is the opportunity. So opportunities here, right? So right now the swimming instructor can read. Let me click the edit button here. They can read their own opportunities. They can edit. And I want them to not be able to edit anything here, right? So I'm going to uncheck. They can read, but they cannot edit. So they can just edit the pass, which is if the student passed or not the lesson. Everything else I am going to uncheck. for the swimming instructor. Okay, so everything else is unchecked, but the past and the notes, of course, we want the swimming instructor to be able to write notes. Okay, how the student is doing in the swimming lesson. So with that, we are going to save. Now, we are going to change the owner or assigned a swimming lesson. For example, Swim Kids 7 here. If I click here, and I'm going to change the owner of this to what's the name? Allison Page, right? Allison Page. So save. So this particular lesson is being assigned to Allison Page. Now if we go to Allison Page and log in as her, so users, and then go to users, and we are going to log in as Allison Page. Alright, now we are logged in as Allison Page. If I go to my opportunities here, and this is the swim kids for Margaret Kane, which is the mom. And if I go to details, you see here, I cannot edit any of this. Lesson start date, there is no edit button here, right? Even if I click edit there, see, I can't edit this. I can only see this. But I can mark the student passed or not, and I can make some notes. This is a note from the instructor, and save, and that will get saved there. But other fields that we mark read only, we cannot edit as the swimming instructor. So that is the control access to the field unit. All right, we can define how each field can be accessed by each profile and users on that profile. So you restrict field access with a profile, which we just did. And you can add field access with a permission set. We also have done that, but let's do it again. So a permission set is to give access to, okay? For example, if I go back and log out from Allison here, log out as Allison. And am I still logged in as me? Nope. I'm going to take everything, close everything out, and log back in again here. So we want to add a permission set, okay? So if I go click here and go to setup as usual, permission sets, and for example, we create a new permission set that says can modify swimming lesson schedule. All right, so we are going to save this and go to the object settings and go to the opportunity, or you can just search here, opportunity, and then we are going to edit the opportunity, and we are going to give, of course, read and edit, and then we are going to give lesson and time, start time, and edit access. Okay, so now we give edit access for the lesson, end date, and then start date and time, start time. Okay, so this is a permission set, and we are going to give this permission set to Allison Page, the swimming instructor. So we are going to give extra permission just to Allison, not all the swimming instructor. So just to a specific user. So I'm going to click manage assignments, and I'm going to add assignments and give it to Allison Page. I'm going to check the box there and assign. That's it. Now, Allison have the swimming instructor profile, which cannot edit the lesson start date or end date, right? But we have given Allison an extra permission sets that says can modify swimming lesson schedule and give access to that field. Now let's give it a try. If I go to users here and we log in as Allison again, come on, and we're logging in as Allison. Now if we go back to the opportunities and go here, as you can see and expect, we will have the edit button here. See, you can change now. So I want to change the start date to December 10 and end to December 12, for example, and save. Now it allows me as Allison because we have given Allison an extra permission set. So permission set is given to give access. You cannot use permission set to take access away, only to add access or give access. So permission set is always used to give more access. It cannot be used to take access away. Okay, remember that. So permission sets can only be used to give more access to a user. All right, that's pretty important because you're going to use that a lot, okay, as an admin. So that is all. Let's go back here and scroll down, and that's pretty much it. And now let's do the hands-on challenge, which is should be pretty simple. So clone the standard user with the following settings. Use existing profile, standard user, and profile sales. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to profile here and make a new profile. Oh, I think I'm still logged in as Allison. Am I? Or not? Have I logged out? No, I have to log out as Allison. Remember that? And it actually logs me out of everything usually. You will have the same experience, so keep logging in from your hands-on org there. If you keep booted out after you're logged in as the end user. So now we are going back to the setup here to do the challenge and go to profiles. And we are going to create a new profile here, and it's a standard user. All right, let's make sure standard user, and we're going to name it sales there. And save. So what else do we need to do? Control access for the sales profile object permission. So accounts, contacts is read, create, edit. Let's double check that. Account and contacts, okay? So object settings, accounts, read, create, edit, delete. You cannot. So I'm going to take away delete. No delete, please. Save account. And then contacts, the same thing. I'm going to take away delete. So the sales people cannot delete contacts. They can create, they can edit and read, but not delete. Create, read, create, edit. Field permission rating on the account object. Remove read access and edit access. So rating on the account, take it away. Account again. Account there, right? And then take away the rating. So salespeople cannot even see the rating. RST. So take away the rating. All right, I'm going to save that. What else do we want to do? All other permissions from the standard user profile remain as is. So that's it. create a new permission set with the following settings. Rating. Okay, that's easy. So new permission set. So go here and search for permission sets. New one, it's called rating. Oopsie. And license is blank probably. Oh, user license is Salesforce. I don't see Salesforce here. We have Sales Console, Sales User. Oh, Salesforce. There you go. Missed that. And I'm going to save this. Give the rating permission set access to the account rating field, read access and edit access. It's basically what we just did with the swimming, right? But this is for the challenge. So I'm going to go objects here and accounts here and give access to read and edit. Read and edit the rating. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to save that. I think that's it. So now we are going to check the challenge. Okay, I'll see you on the next, oops, wrong button there. I'll see you on the next module. Bada bing, bada boom. Come on already. Come on, Trailhead. Giddy up, giddy up. Boom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.